Greetings, SirPlus here. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, you want to win some money? Well, for $1, answer this question. How many parishes does Jamaica have? Easy, right? I bet you said 14. Well, to be honest, last week you would be right, but today you're wrong. Jamaica now has 15 parishes. This is a huge moment in Jamaican history, something that hasn't happened in over 150 years. So let's talk about Jamaica officially getting its 15th parish. On Tuesday, February 11th, 2025, the House of Representatives passed the Counties and Parishes Amendment Act 2025. This historic legislation grants parish status to the Portmore City Municipality, making it Jamaica's 15th parish. This is the first time since Jamaica's independence that a new parish has been created. Minister of Local Government and Community Development, Honorable Desmond Mackenzie, explained just how monumental this is. He reminded us that parishes have been the backbone of Jamaica's local government since the English settled the island in 1655. Originally, there were just 7 parishes, which grew to 22 by 1867. But in that same year, the number was reduced to 14, and that's how it stayed for 158 years, until now. So, what does this mean for the Sunshine City? Will it be more than just a title? Minister Mackenzie emphasized that this move will bring huge economic, social, and political opportunities for the people of Portmore. It's all about empowering the largest community in the Caribbean and giving them the tools to thrive. Portmore will officially become a parish, including areas like Hellshire Hills, Goat Island, and the city of Portmore will serve as the parish capital. Some areas, like Lakes Pen and Quarry Hill, will not be part of the new parish. An official map and description will be created for the parish of Portmore. As a Portmore man myself, I feel really proud. I even have goosebumps thinking about that my hometown is now a parish. What do you think about Jamaica's 15th parish? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates on history-making moments like this. Until next time, peace.